again. I love that! Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Great! We all love your train set. Where to now? Left, next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Great! Great! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Which way do you want to go? Left leads to the Sodor Steamworks. To Brendam Docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. Excellent! That's the way! That's perfect! We all love your train set! Where to now? Forward, let's go to the big bridge! You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. That was so much fun!